Hello, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are good. Sir, due to certain unavoidable circumstances, I was not able to record and upload a video since quite long time. But now onwards, I will regularly update and upload the videos. So do watch all these videos and help other students also. And in this syllabus discussion series, we have already completed our unit number first, that is diversity in the living world. Unit number second, that is structural organization in plants as well as in animals. Unit number third is about cell and its structure and function. And unit number four was about plant physiology. In this unit number 5, which is last unit of your 11th standard, that is regarding the human physiology. So this human physiology, it deals with all the whatever the internal vital processes which are occurring inside the human body. All that human physiological processes are going to be studied in this unit. So it is quite a huge unit or a large unit. If we see the number of chapters which are present in this unit, it is having around chapter number, it starts from chapter number 16 to chapter number around 22, chapter number 22. That is the chemical coordination and integration. I forgot to write there chapter number 22, but that is the chapter number 22. Okay, so here let us see in very brief that what we are going to study in this unit of human physiology. In chapter number 16, what we're going to study is about digestion and absorption. So what we eat, how it is going to be digested inside our body, what are the different organs which are involved in the process of digestion, what is alimentary canal, what are the different accessory glands which helps in the digestion, which can be called as a digestive glands. So that all the things, what are the different disorders of digestive system, so all this stuff, and even how the food that was taken inside, how that food is going to get assimilated in the body, that all the stuff will be studied in the chapter of digestion and absorption. So it will be a quite interesting chapter where you learn whatever you eat, how it is going to spread in your body in the form of nutrition. So again, it's a quite interesting chapter. In chapter number 617, you will be studying the breathing and exchange of gases. Here primarily you will study the process of respiration. So what is respiration? Simply, in a very simple terms, that exchange of CO2 with that of the oxygen. Oxygen is taken inside from the environment, whereas CO2 which is produced in the body, that is again exhaled in the surrounding. Inhalation and exhalation, that overall process can be roughly called as the respiration. So how this respiration occur, what are the different phenomenon which are involved in the respiration, what are the different organs, for example, what is pharynx, what is larynx, what is trachea, what is lungs, what are the different lobes and even the cells, what is alveoli, whatever. All these stuffs will be studied in the chapter number 17, that is primarily deals with the process of respiration, that is how we breathe. Okay, in chapter number 18, what we're going to study is body fluid, that is blood. You know what is blood? Blood is the liquid connective tissue which connects, okay, which consists of all the other components also, which consist of different blood corpuscles like WBC, RBC, plasma is there. Then circulation is, you know that in our body the blood is continuously being circulated all over the body, and this process of circulation is principally carried out by a very important organ. That organ is called as the lungs. That actually sorry, not lungs, I'm extremely sorry, that is the heart. the circulation is primarily the flow of the blood in the body. That pressure which is required for that flow of the blood in the body is provided by the heart. That is the heart. You know that heart is located in the chest, and this heart we have to we're going to study the detailed structure of heart. So don't bother about the details. We are not going in detail. We are just superficially looking what is there in the unit human physiology. And in coming days I will start the exact syllabus of NEET and will thoroughly study each and every point of the NCRT. So don't bother about that. Just here we are discussing the unit number 5 so as to get familiar with what is there in the human physiology. So that body fluid in circulation, the important organ is heart. What are different disorders of circulatory related with the circulation, or even in the case of respiration, what are the different we can say disorders like asthma is there, emphysema is there. So that will be studied. Then in chapter number 19, you will be having different the chapter that is the excretory products and their elimination. So what we eat, that is the nutritional thing which is present in that food that is going to get assimilated in the body. But what about the waste product which is formed that needs to be expelled outside of that body, and that process is termed as the excretion process. And how this excretion process is carried out, basically the excretory product, for example urine is there, then human feces are there, how they are going to expel in the body, how they are going to form. So we know that kidney perform very important function in the process of this excretion. So all these stuff related with the excretion that will be studied in chapter number 19. In chapter number 20, we will be having locomotion and movements. What are the different or locomotion types are there, how the movement of the body is going to be done, then different bones. So all this stuff will be studied in the chapter number 20. In chapter number 21, it's very quite interesting chapter which deals with neural control and coordination. Here we are going to study the different nervous system, like central nervous system is there, primarily brain is there. So all this stuff related with that neurological, all the neurological aspects will be studied in chapter number 21 and chapter number 22, where I forgot to write the chapter number there, but it is the chapter number 22. So in chapter number 22, we'll be dealing about chemical coordination and interaction. Here, what we are going to study is the hormones. Okay, hormones which are important in the body, which are primarily called as the chemical messengers. So these hormones will be studied in detail. What are the different glands which produce the hormones, like pituitary gland is there, thyroid gland is there, adrenal gland is there. So all this stuff will be studied in chapter number 22. So overall, this human physiology unit is quite interesting and it's quite vast. But even if it is vast, it is very interesting because it is directly related to us. So we'll enjoy learning the human physiology in coming lectures. So I hope you got very rough and preliminary idea about unit number 5, that is human physiology, what aspects will be covered in this human physiology, and this very short syllabus discussion I carried out here. Detail will be there afterwards, but till then we'll have to stop here, and I request all of you that if anybody is studying for the NEET examination or preparing for NEET, so do share this channel these videos are completely free, and that will be very much useful for you. Even you can ask me the queries. I have given my email ID over there in about section. You can mail me whatever the queries you are having. I will be there to solve any type of queries. So till then, we'll stop here. And thank you so much for your patient listening. Thank you very much.